In this video we're going to have a look at rollovers and rollover pop-ups. I'm going to show you first of all the basic rollover. It's very simple. You select this from the interactive objects tray of your quick build. I can draw it onto here like this, and I am going to select a couple of images. So first of all you have the normal rollover state. So this is the state when nothing is happening. And I'm going to select an image, just one here like this, open, and then when I roll over it, I want it to turn into this shot of a baby here. So I say OK, like that, and you'll see that I've got this image. It's better if they're both the same size, so you might want to edit those. But I've got this image here, and when I preview the site, when I go to allow block content, when I go over this image, it just changes instantly like that. That's obviously a big change, but you can make it more subtle. So for example, the background on these can highlight up, or you could do something with an animated image, so when you roll over it, it seems to start to animate. So that's rollovers, very straightforward. Now we're going to have a look at pop-ups rollovers. Now this, I'm going to show you an example. So this is my Amazon.com page, and I'm looking at this television. When I roll over these pictures here, you can see that the main picture is changing, and we might want to have a similar effect to that. So what we do is it's much the same, but we use the rollover pop-up like this, and we click on that. And again, we browse for these two images. So again, let's have the baby turning into me this time. Okay, and then I'm going to browse and I'm going to find me. Now, of course, it could be the same image and just bigger. Now, I'm going to set the rollover position. So that is my image here that I put it on the page, and I can tell Serif where to put this image next to it. So I'm going to put it right next to my image like that. And OK. And then I can say OK. You can set some other settings in here, like, for example, what happens when you click on the image and that kind of thing. So now if I preview my site, and again I'll have to allow block content, and this one still works as it was, and this one you can see puts a picture of me in there whenever I roll over it. If I wanted the baby picture here normally, I'd have to just put that in the page design, and then when I come over the top, this would appear over the top of it. And you can see that I could have more pictures down here and generate those rollovers. So that's how we can use rollovers to enhance our site. Of course, I'm doing it very quickly, and I'm going to expect you to make it look a lot better.